If you are wondering if we have AI camera on the Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is no, not really. We do not really have AI camera or AI features inside the camera on this phone. Usually if you can find AI features, you can find them straight away, for example in the photo mode. Like I know that Motorola smartphones sometimes have that AI signature style or something like that, which uses AI in order to determine your style. You can also provide some examples, your photos, to create your own personal style, which then you can apply to all your photos if you of course decide to use it. But in this case, this feature is unfortunately not available. Other than that, quite often on smartphones you can find AI features in camera settings, but in here we don't have actually many settings that we can go through, and none of them are actually AI tools. I don't think there's anything that can be even slightly related to AI features. So unfortunately, or maybe even fortunately for many people, the camera doesn't really use any AI tools. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.